हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड आज हम बात करेंगे लिंक्डइन के बारे में। ओके, सो ये वीडियो दो तरह के लोगों के लिए है। पहले वो जिनको ऑलरेडी पता है व्हाट इज़ लिंक्डइन एंड दूसरे वो जिन्हें उसके बारे में कोई भी आइडिया नहीं है। सो फॉर दोज पीपल जिनको लिंक्डइन के बारे में कोई भी आइडिया नहीं है, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इट इज़। LinkedIn, if you don't know, you must be knowing Instagram, right? So it is like Instagram, but ऐसा नहीं समझना है कि ये Instagram ही है जहाँ पे you can post your holidays के photos, videos, or you can post your cooking videos or any random stuff. No, you cannot do that on LinkedIn. This is a networking site where there are so many students and professionals out there to connect with you and give you a lot of advantages. So stay tuned and I shall tell you what are the actual benefits of using LinkedIn, and that will help you out a lot. I am pretty sure about that. So let's get started. First things first, सबसे पहली चीज़ जिसके लिए LinkedIn बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है is networking, for sure. And this is because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, जैसे कि बहुत सारे experts हैं, professionals हैं जो कि अपना content share करते हैं which is related to what they talk about, what they work about. It can be anyone. It can be a content writer or an engineer or anyone. So you can connect with them or follow them, and उनके content को जब आप देखोगे तो you get to know more things about your field. So yeah, this is how you can use it for your benefit. Second thing is you can communicate on LinkedIn. There are so many people, as you know already, तो आप उन्हें मैसेज कर सकते हैं in a professional manner for sure. उन्हें कभी भी इस तरह नहीं लगना चाहिए that you are just texting them randomly and for no particular reason, and they should not feel like you're wasting their time. Okay, note that. And yeah, let's get back to the topic. So you can text people and talk to them about what they are doing and how they are doing it, and get some insights on whatever the thing it is regarding to your profession or whatever you want to know. So this is how you can build your communication skills as well. The third thing is you can create your own content and post it on LinkedIn, because there are so many creators already who have great content, have great knowledge. So what you can do is simply post banao and share it on LinkedIn. What will happen is your connections and other people will get to know about it and they might like it. You can जितनी नॉलेज तुम शेयर करोगे उतना ही तुम्हें भी फ़ायदा होता है. You know that already, right? So yes, you can do that and this will help you and other people as well. Fourth thing is that LinkedIn पे you can either give recommendations to other people or receive recommendations. जैसे कि for an example ऐसा करते हैं, you work at some organization, right? And your boss is there on LinkedIn and you are connected with that person. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप उनको बोल सकते हैं कि sir kindly give me the recommendation, because that recommendation will help you in future. Suppose you change your company or do anything like that, so that recommendation will help out other people who will be probably hiring you to know that you are a good team player or you are good at what you do. So yeah, this is how you can make it work. Either you give recommendations to other people or you get recommendations. As simple as that. Now the last point is fifth one, which is finding new opportunities. Alright, so I know you guys have been waiting for this. So finding new opportunities का मतलब है कि जो recruiters हैं वो ढूंढ रहे होते हैं नए लोग जिनको वो हायर कर सकें और जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं या प्रोफेशनल्स हैं जो ऑक्यूपेशन जो एक जॉब ढूंढ रहे हैं, ये उनके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. सो what you can do is go on LinkedIn, create a great profile which is, which impresses someone in the very first go, because like your resumes which are just looked at for 6 seconds is for LinkedIn. The recruiters don't waste too much time looking on LinkedIn, checking your LinkedIn profile if it's not engaging enough. So make sure it is engaging. All right. And if you want me to tell you how to make your profile engaging, what do you have to do? Comment section. I'll be checking that, right? Okay, so back to the point. And yeah, so you can, find great job opportunities on LinkedIn, as there is a job portal already on LinkedIn. You can go there and put in your preferences and everything and find a job, or it can be a full-time job, part-time job, freelancing, internships, or anything which is suitable for you or whatever you are looking for. There are so many new jobs posted every single day. So keep looking for that, and I'm sure you will get something. And with that, there's one thing I wish to tell you is that when you find a job and if you think you want to apply for that, a better option would be not to just directly apply and leave it. The better thing would be to go and find someone who works at that company and get a referral directly, because referrals are these days considered over anything and everything. So that will help you a lot for sure, and will probably get you that job. So that's it for this video. Do not forget to like, comment. I told you already what to comment about, and share this video with your friends, because that will benefit you. So yes, it will benefit you. Create your LinkedIn profile right away. See ya.